Artificial intelligence has now become a catch-all phrase for applications that perform complex tasks for us. Behind the increasing number of these applications lie mountains of data and analytical algorithms. And starting today, much of it will be stored and available in these 5,000 cabinets here at the Artificial Intelligence Data Center in Shanghai's Lingang Special Area. The idea is to make it easier and less costly for companies to access the resources they need to do work in artificial intelligence.
IDC 其实很简单，它就是通过
Traditional internet data centers offer just internet computer rooms and electrical power, but the AIDC provides all-round AI services from software and hardware to solutions. We're serving clients that are creating AI's future R&D and industrial upgrades.
A recent report released by the Information Technology Service Provider IDC and Big Data Service Provider Inspur says that with a 1 percentage point improvement in computing power, digital economy will grow by 3.3 per thousand and GDP by 1.8 per thousand. And this AI data center is contributing to that with a computing capacity of 3,740 petaflops. What means is that within a single day, it can deal with data from a video lasting for 23,600 years, a video that has been recording constantly since the late Old Stone Age.
The industry now has lots of comprehensive applications, but the largest challenges remain the high costs and long time required to implement them. By using our super large platform, many scenarios can now be activated that previously were possible technologically, but not economical in business terms. For example, factory production line testing and high-speed railway automatic checking had very high R&D costs in the past, but now the costs can be cut down to just 10% of the original figure, or even lower.
At the opening ceremony this morning, 8 companies and institutions signed deals with the center's developer SenseTime. Another potential beneficiary is the biotechnology industry.
When studying protein structure and functions, there are many complicated data with high dimensions. Previously, based on our own model, our analysis could not fully match the complexity of the data. And when simulating molecular dynamic structure, we need several hundred GPUs to compute simultaneously. It usually takes 1 to 2 months to complete one run analyzing the addition of water molecules, but now it can be done in just several days. That allows scientists to test their hypotheses more frequently and efficiently.
Wang says this will provide more thorough analyses of their experiments and provide valuable discoveries to push the industry forward.
This is the largest artificial intelligence data center in Asia. The largest computing capacity will provide big data support to a variety of industries, and the biopharma industry may witness the fastest growth. Other sectors like autonomous driving, smart transportation, and weather forecasting all require large computing capacity to support them.
The data center is expected to use around 45 million kilowatt-hours of power less annually. The industry report released by IDC and Inspur says that between 2015 and 2019, almost half of the global expenditure growth in AI computing came from China. The government's goal is to have AI core industries be worth more than 1 trillion yuan by 2030, and related industries be worth 10 trillion yuan by the same time. Supporting that goal is just what the new data center is ready to do.